86 Narrated Asmã bint AbU Bakr, I came to Aishah razi Allah Unha while she was offering Salat prayer and said to her, "What has happened to the people?" She pointed out towards the sky. I looked towards the mosque and saw the people offering Salat, the prayer. Aishah razi Allah Unha said, "Subhan Allah." I said to her, "Is there a sign?" She nodded with her head meaning, yes. I, too, then stood for the prayer of eclipse till I became nearly unconscious and later on I poured water on my head. After the prayer, the Prophet peace be upon him praised and glorified Allah and then said, "Just now at this place I have seen what I have never seen before, including paradise and hell. No doubt it has been revealed to me that you will be put to trials in your graves, and these trials will be like the trials of A1-Masih Ad-Dajjdl or nearly like it." The subnarrator is not sure which expression Asma razi Allah Unha used. You will be asked, what do you know about this man, Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him? Then the faithful believer will reply, he is Muhammad peace be upon him, Allah's messenger peace be upon him, who came to us with clear evidences and guidance, and so we accepted his teachings and followed him. And he is Muhammad peace be upon him. And he will repeat it thrice. Then the angels will say to him, "Sleep in peace, as we have come to know that you were a faithful believer." On the other hand, a hypocrite or a doubtful person will reply, "I do not know, but I heard the people saying something and so I said it," the same.